Yes. Fucking throw a fat one. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
How do you feel about that?
Oh, dude. I got news for you. What they have an extra muscle. The clips you'll see coming up here shortly. We tried doing the same trip back in December of 2021, and unfortunately it didn't work out back then, but 4 years later we were finally able to make it happen. Where are we going?
I don't know.
3 hours later.
You should be able to change the sprocket and then it will give it like more snap off. Yeah. Or less top speed. Yeah.
Riding miles of whoops after not riding for 4 to 5 months. It didn't feel too great, but once we got to this spot, I knew the whole day was going to be sick.
Yo, what did they add whoops? Right? Oh my god! No, that was a blast. I'm steaming!
Fucking fat and out of shape.
I always had some fucking...
It's gnarly coming in that way.
I can't fucking breathe, dude. I'm so out of shape.
Before I came, I was weed whacking.
My back started. Plate and 9 screws later.
Want your water?
Yeah, probably would be healthy for me to drink that.
Nick, you have a drink here?
Your bike sounds pretty nice.
I should be being an adult today and going putting tires on my truck because I know them all.
No, we gotta roast the rest of them.
No, we don't.
I feel like, damn, I
Hit
should
the
have
whoops
out
like
with the
damn.
kids.
Vacuuming right now. Fucking
Shotgun there, we're going nice and broad, ready to go, and then I hit the first whoop, and I'm like,
back really starts to hurt going in.
Guys, feel you back on the army.
Sick. Yeah.
those are like a YXF thing, something like
It just goes on the street and then it'll go through, there's one spot.
I was looking at him at
That's more than most people.
I ain't have to ask her, know exactly where you been. You been counting bags up, you ain't doing all that extra. Take a fast cut, if you up at least 100, she might pull a fast one. Where you coming from? It ain't groupie love. Let me hit you back, on the one and up. Where you coming from? It ain't groupie love. Let me hit you back, on the one and up. Yeah, got a house.
little jump over there, too.
What do you think?
Getting it, dude.
Let's go. Let's go.
Dig a hole and put the winch in it.
They don't make anchors. No, they make.
Yeah, they do.
I was out here years, and me and Hunter were out there years and years and years.
I've been outside. It's for all my dogs who got it their own way. They say you can't get water from a stone, but you can get money. Let's go. Stacking my lane, they thought I'd be just a flash of the pain. R.I.P. Weezy, that was my man. I know some people who mad I ain't spit. I know some people who mad I ain't in. Sell, hell, half of my friends. Now just a rap that ain't happened to them. Back in the trap and we had it again. Back to this crack as a matter of fact. I remember way back all I had was my pen. Fucking can't build with no motion to build, cause I fled through a deal and I had to turn that negativity blocking my wins. Bad positions I got myself in. I ain't get love, I saw my drugs. Had to take every loss on the chin. I had to fall, that's how you begin. I had to get up, that's how you finish. I ain't sit back and just chill in a minute. Don't say a word that I'm give you a sentence. I gave it chances, nothing was given. Stayed on my toes, stayed on my pivot. They had me sitting way up by Ohio. Mom used to fly in and pull me for business. I gotta stay moving, how don't you get it? How don't you get it? How don't you get it? Man, you saw the vision and said you was with it. I wanna call you and tell you we did it, but everything different. Everything different. Started with nothing, fresh out of prison. To get to the chicken, I get to a pigeon. You gonna find out if somebody hit it the second it. Turn to stone. No matter the situation, focus and fight through it. When everybody else quits, that's when you won. Stick to the plan, focus on product and stick to your brain. Keep it 100, my hitter got jammed. I know he's sick cause he sits in that van. I know he's sick when he think about his fam. I know he good cause he know he got me. It's just another PWID. Lawyer gonna sniper for some way to beat. And look at these charges, look how he eat. There ain't no sand, no catching the beat. No. Been on probation, parole, more than I've been on my feet. The second you think you cool, it's the second they turn the heat. Look from afar, don't be in the wrong pussy car. They won't make it off in the street. Shit isn't sweet, I just been letting it stack.
I got it on camera.
Collecting the bread in the bag. Gone for so long, I gotta have lots going on to make up for the past. I see you trying to make your money last. I see I'm trying to make my money fast. I buy a brick with a property bag. Double up quick, get the property back. They will say, nah, they ain't offer a bag. They didn't see the potential. I had to get it myself. Now they just see my credentials. Strength deep in my mental. I wrote my way out of murder zone. Burner army with a burner phone. He was out there really turning stones. It's cold, baby. Before we finished up for the day, we had one more sick spot to check out, and a lot of heavy hitters have been here, so it was cool to see the jumps that they've hit.
jumps are?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
Come up here, land here, come down, jump that, and then hit that. Yeah. There's a couple over there that are a little smaller.
Yeah.
You want to go check them out?
Yeah.